Installing a new door is a significant home improvement project that can enhance your Little Rock home's security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Choosing a professional door installation ensures a seamless process and optimal results. Understanding what to expect during a professional door installation can help you prepare and make the most of this upgrade. Here's a step-by-step guide to the process and what you can look forward to when working with a trusted installation team. Pre-installation consultation. The process begins with an in-depth consultation to assess your needs and select the right door for your home. What happens? The installer will visit your home to measure the existing door frame and evaluate the condition of the opening. You'll discuss your preferences, including material, style, and any customizations like glass panels or finishes. The installer will provide recommendations based on your budget, home design, and specific needs, such as energy efficiency or added security. This consultation ensures that you choose a door that fits perfectly and aligns with your goals. Ordering and preparing the door. Once the consultation is complete and you've selected your door, the installer will order it and prepare for installation. Preparation details. Custom doors may take longer to manufacture, especially if they include unique materials or designs. Standard doors are typically available more quickly, allowing for faster installation. The installer will schedule the installation date based on your availability and the delivery timeline. During this phase, you'll receive clear communication about what to expect and how to prepare your home. Preparing the work area. Before installation day, you'll need to make some minor preparations to ensure a smooth process. How to prepare. Remove any items near the door, such as furniture, rugs, or decorations, to create a clear workspace. Ensure the pathway to the door is unobstructed for easy access. Plan for some noise and activity, as power tools and materials will be in use. Professional installers will also take steps to protect your home by using drop cloths or tarps to contain dust and debris. Removing the old door. The first step of the installation process is removing the existing door and preparing the opening for the new one. What to expect. The installer will carefully remove the old door, frame, and any hardware. They'll inspect the opening for damage or issues, such as rot or misalignment, and make necessary repairs to ensure a secure fit for the new door. This step ensures that your new door operates smoothly and remains durable over time. Professional removal prevents unnecessary damage to your home and provides a clean slate for the new installation. Installing the new door. Once the old door is removed, the installer will place the new door into position and secure it. Installation steps. The new door is aligned and leveled within the opening to ensure a proper fit. The frame is anchored securely to prevent movement or gaps. Weather stripping, caulking, and insulation are applied to seal the door and improve energy efficiency. Locks, handles, and other hardware are installed and tested for smooth operation. Attention to detail during this phase ensures that the door functions properly and looks great. Final adjustments and testing. After the door is installed, The installer will make any necessary adjustments to ensure everything is perfect. Testing includes checking that the door opens and closes smoothly, ensuring locks and latches operate securely, verifying that the weatherproofing is effective, with no drafts or gaps. These final checks ensure your new door performs flawlessly from day one. Cleanup and debris removal. Professional door installers prioritize leaving your home clean and tidy once the job is complete. Post-installation cleanup. Removal of the old door and any leftover materials or debris. Vacuuming or sweeping the area to leave it spotless. Returning furniture and items to their original positions if needed. This attention to detail ensures you can enjoy your new door without worrying about cleanup. Post-installation guidance. Once the installation is complete, the installer will provide you with helpful tips to maintain and care for your new door. What you'll learn: how to operate and maintain locks, hinges, and hardware. Recommendations for cleaning and preserving the door's finish. Information about warranties and who to contact for any future issues. This guidance helps you get the most out of your investment and ensures your door stays in excellent condition. Enjoying the benefits of your new door. After installation, you'll immediately notice the benefits of your new door. What to expect: enhanced curb appeal and a refreshed look for your home. Improved energy efficiency with better insulation and weatherproofing. Increased security from modern materials and advanced locking systems. A professionally installed door provides lasting value, functionality, and peace of mind for your Little Rock home. Final thought: professional door installation is the key to achieving a secure, stylish, and functional entryway for your Little Rock home. From the initial consultation to the final cleanup, working with an experienced installer ensures a seamless process and outstanding results. If you're ready to upgrade your doors, partner with a trusted installation expert in Little Rock. With their help, you'll enjoy a stress-free experience and a beautiful new door that enhances your home for years to come.